Why a company operating in the banana processing industry should choose an ag technological line from Tropical Food Machinery. We are going to ask to Guido Diemmi, sales director of the company. It is a tradition for us to meet Tropical Food Machinery and Guido Diemmi at Fruit Logistica. Hi Guido.
Hi Sonia.
Guido, this time I don't want to focus on Fruit Logistica. Of course, it's a great appointment for you and also for us relating this field. I would like to ask you more information relating your last installation in Latin America.
Yes, in fact, we installed a new automatic banana peeler in Costa Rica. We come from the startup and commissioning just a few weeks ago. And we have very good results and good feedback from the customer.
So, which are the feedback from your customer right now?
Of course, the first one is that we reduced the manpower that we need for the banana peeling because it is all automatic. But we also have other two key points that we can show. The first one is the quality of the banana puree that is higher than the one that you get from the manual peeling. And the second is that we can show even the increase of some percent of yield in banana puree. So customer not only can get a higher quality puree, but even increase the quantity that he produces.
So it's great, successful result.
Yes, very successful. And in fact, now we have data that we can show. And we hope to sell this machine even in other markets. We have many requests from Costa Rica, Guatemala, Ecuador, and also we have other two machines that are running since 2 years in Philippines. So now customers know that this is not experimental technology, but something that is really tested and running with a new patented technology.
So you can confirm that many companies, international companies, are also interested in this new line.
Yes, of course. We have many requests. So we hope this year to expand and install new machines in the world.
Very good. So, Guido, since that Tropical Food Machinery attend to a very huge number of exhibitions all over the world, which are the next?
The next ones will be Propak Philippines next week. Then we have Propak Vietnam in March. Then Macfrut, of course, in Italy. And following this, we have Propak Asia in Bangkok and Expopak in Mexico.
So for sure, Editrice Zeus will meet Tropical Food Machinery at Macfrut and also in Propak Asia in Bangkok. Thank you so much to Guido and thank you so much to Tropical Food Machinery.